Alright, so this is doing the auscultation of the 4 quadrants of the abdomen. So I'll put my handy stethoscope in here, check it out, make sure it's working. So you're going to bisect it by the belly button, so you're going to go sides and up and down side. I'll start with the upper right. This is testing for the liver. Okay, I'll go upper left. This is testing for spleen. And then I'll go lower right. This is testing for the appendix. And then I'll go lower left, and that's testing for like reproductive organs and stuff like that.